Hi guys, this is some maintenance work we want to do on the car. We talked earlier the aircon filters, both of it, and of course we have to change a good quality oil. Speedmaster from Japan, as well as this Speedmaster Special Blend transmission oil. This is a manual transmission, as well as a full brake upgrade and refresh. That's very important. First, this is the PFC front race brake pad for the front. As for the rear, we have the Brembo original pads on the rear. Then the hoses front and rear, we use these Goodrich hoses, stainless steel braided hoses from UK on the front so that we get a pedal feel firm one. So then we got hold of this stainless steel decad pipe, much bigger than stock and flows better than stock. We also got it wrapped up in thermal wrap to reduce some heat to the engine and transmission. This improves the performance, throttle response, and free up some power. And it's gonna make the Porsche PSC exhaust sound a little bit louder. Hi guys, today I'm going to do a cold start on my new setup after the catless front pipe. So it's a cold start, been parked here for a few days already. I'm going to start up with the standard mode, and then after that a few revs on it, and then I'm going to change to a sport mode. Okay, this is the standard mode. And now this is with the exhaust valve open. Next will be with a Porsche Sport mode.